Now we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 7, 14. First, comprehension A. Choose the correct option. First, Mrs. Pringle had organized dinner for. Answer is B. 14 guests. Second, Mr. Harper refused the dinner invite because. Answer B. His friend fell ill. Third, Mrs. Pringle wanted her husband to sit at the head of the table because. Answer is A. She thought it looked undignified when the man of the house is pushed to the side. Then, fourth, Mrs. Pringle wanted Elaine to sit next to. Correct option is C. Oliver Farnsworth. Fifth, Mrs. Pringle was glad that Jessica backed out as that would leave them with. And answer is B. 14 guests. Then B. Answer the questions briefly. First question, why was Mrs. Pringle happy to know that the cook was in a bad temper? Answer, Mrs. Pringle was happy to know that the cook was in a bad temper because she felt that the cook cooked better when she had a temper. Second question, what trouble had Mr. Harper put Mrs. Pringle in? Answer, Mrs. Pringle had to arrange for an extra person for a dinner as she felt that having 13 person on a dinner table was inauspicious. Then third, what was wrong with just having 12 guests? Answer, with 12 guests, Mr. Pringle would not be able to sit at the head of the table. Mrs. Pringle thought that it looked undignified when the man of the house is pushed to the side of the table. Fourth question, why did Mrs. Pringle agree to invite Mr. Morgan? Answer, Mr. Harper had called to say that he could not attend the dinner. Mrs. Pringle agreed to invite Mr. Morgan so that the number of guests could go back to 14. Fifth, did Mrs. Pringle like Oliver Farnsworth? Why? Answer, Mrs. Pringle liked Oliver Farnsworth because he was a millionaire. Then sixth question, why was Elaine distressed after calling the Tuppers? Elaine was distressed after calling Tuppers as they accepted the invitation but mentioned that they had two house guests who would also be coming for the dinner with them. Thus increased the number of guests to 16 and the preparation had been done only for 14 guests. Question number 7. What solutions were given by Elaine and Mrs. Pringle when 16 people were on the guest list? Answer, Mrs. Pringle asked the butler to inform the cook to open cans of soups and vegetables as the number of guests had increased to 16. For ice cream, Elaine mentioned that she would pretend that she does not like them and Mrs. Pringle would refuse ice cream by pretending that she was on a diet. Question number 8. Why was it important to make fresh place card and new diagram? Answer, it was important to make fresh place cards and a new diagram because the guest list had changed and the names of the new guests had to be added in the place of the ones who were not coming. C. Think and answer the questions. First question, what do you think was Mrs. Pringle's main motive for hosting the dinner? Answer, Mrs. Pringle's main motive for hosting the dinner was to find a groom for her daughter. Question number 2. Do you think Elaine was scared of her mother? Give reasons by giving examples from the chapter. Answer, yes, Elaine was scared of her mother, although Elaine didn't want to be present for the dinner. Her mother insisted that she her mother insisted that she did, and she had to agree. Elaine also followed her mother's order. Third question. Do you think Mrs. Pringle was unnecessarily worried about the guest list? Why? Why not? Mrs. Pringle was unnecessarily worried about the guest list. She believed that having 13 guests would be inauspicious, and in order to avoid that number of guests, she created a lot of confusion for herself, her daughter, butler, and her cook.